Ooh, the Sprunki Carnival is in full swing! Wow, a Kpop Demon Hunters ring toss! Yeah, gimme 5! What a nice guy! I hope we get Derpy. We did it! I guess dreams really do come true. He's gonna need a playmate. Try to get Sussie next. Wow! Today's our lucky day! Now try for Rumi. Aw, pop stars sure grow up fast these days. But not too grown up. She's got a new family. Wow, Rumi's doll has purple hair, just like her. Hey, it's Sussie. I guess he wants to play too. It's nice to share, if only Sussie knew that. Aw, don't cry over that malignant magpie. Besides, Mama Pinky knows just what to do. Keep all your hinges in one place. And a little splash of purple really ties things together. Look, it's like a little Rumi head. But now, why don't we make her a body? Couldn't be easier. Just string everything along. And she's really flexible. She can move like a jellyfish. Rumi's a girl with an itchin' for the kitchen. Careful, not everyone approves of breaking pasta or leaving eggshells in your batter. It's okay, you've got Derpy to help. Uh-oh, careful with that egg. You need to break a few to make an omelet. Let's make toast. Eat a banana while you wait. But I'd check on your bread before it burns. You'd think she'd notice the smell. They do. And they don't even have noses, I think. Unplug the toaster and add some foam. Water ain't much help with electric fires. Now, Rumi, you've got some explaining to do. Let's try something new while Dad cleans up. Look, a cardboard box. There's always fun to be had with cardboard. Especially in box form. It can be a pretend toaster. And it can also be a familiar face. Your Uncle Simon. Your Sprunky uncle. Your Sprunkle, if you will. Just add toast. And soon, you've got toast. Sweet dreams, unless Squee Ma has a say about it. Have no fear, Rumi the Demon Slayer is here. Quick, get scissors. Or Mira and Zoe, whichever comes first. It's easy to make friends, but it's easy to make scissors too. Especially when you've got cardboard on hand. Let's just hope they'll get the point. Great success! You know, the stripes look kinda suits them. Uh-oh, looks like one little monkey's jumping on the bed. And it sounds like she's jumping all over the room. It sure looks like it. Either that or an earthquake. Let's leave and let Oren clean things up. Of course, the real hero of the day is cardboard. Stack them up together to make something fun for Rumi. That's right, a whole cardboard slide! It needs color. Ah, sky blue, or blue sky. Balloons? Well, I guess this is a grand opening. And they make for a really fun landing pit. Come on, Rumi. Why don't you try out this cute chute? Down she goes, but she's still getting serious air. Why don't you go again? After all, there's no line. Of course, that might change very soon. Oren and Pinky might want their own huntrix. A veggie plate. You want a carrot stick? Guess she prefers her veggies with ramen. But it looks like Pinky's got an idea. And it'll help teach Rumi about healthy eating. Looks like Pinky's adding her own pink touch. Just make some room in the stomach and the mouth. Don't forget some plastic lining for the tummy. Now let's make your mini-me something to nibble on. Like every cartoon rabbit, she's partial to carrots. And Rumi's got a little bugs in her, too. Let's see what else she'd like. How about some candy? Careful, I think she's starting to feel bloated. Maybe we should get Mini Pinky some antacid. Well, never mind. There she blows! Guess not all kids like slime. Derpy, Sussie, the doctor will see you soon. But first, she's got to check on Papa Oren. And it looks like it's time for a shot. Oh, come on. Take it like a Sprunki. Maybe we'll give you a lollipop when it's done. Of course, Dr. Rumi should work on her bedside manner. But Nurse Pinky is here to help, complete with cardboard. Now that's the type of guy Rumi likes to hunt. But why don't we fill in all those missing pieces? Don't forget the heart or a spleen. Now Rumi can play doctor to her heart's content. Let's hope she forgets about somebody's shot. Time for a snack. Chocolate, but it's way up there. Still, there's no mountain Rumi can't climb. Rock, paper, hey, what was that? Rumi needs you. The important thing, did you get the chocolate spread? Don't worry, Papa Oren can make you a solution. All we need is some well-placed cardboard. And a very special secret ingredient, chopsticks. They're the perfect model for some tiny tubes. It'll really help hook everything up together. But hang on to those chopsticks. Slide them on inside. Now Rumi can have her own mini fridge. But Pinky has an idea. Parents cover fridges with art. In more ways than one, it would seem. Wow, no wonder Derpy was impressed. Oh, can't forget some pointed ears on top. But it's what's inside that matters. And we're talking snacks. Fresh fruit. Let's hope it's cold in there. but I'm sure Rumi will make sure it won't go to waste. Especially if she invites Mira and Zoe over. Ooh, gold coins! Is it the kind with chocolate inside? But like that tower in Italy, it's gotta lean. Oh, don't cry. Seriously, you can just put them back up. Or even better, grab some cardboard. You'd be surprised at all the things it can do. We're gonna need to whip up a spiral shape and place it right on top of the box. But it needs a little something extra, like straws. Don't worry, Oren, you can just gulp it down. We're gonna need to trim a little off the top. Then make sure to add some on the sides. Next, add some string to help hook up these wheels. Now let's add a special dial, complete with a special door. And soon, our new bank will soon be ready. But first, that spiral gives me an idea. Let's make it a snail. You know, they say that escargot is expensive. So why don't you feed our snail friend a coin or two? Did it get stuck? Well, we can get things rolling again. Wow! I think all your coins would like to take a ride. He'll keep them all nice and safe. Not a great interest plan, though. But making a withdrawal couldn't be any easier. It looks like Rumi here has got the Midas touch. Ah, looks like Oren's having a little nap. After all, there's nothing wrong with a little beauty sleep. Looks like Oren's a regular sleeping beauty. Aw, calm down, Oren. You've never looked better. You know what will cheer you up? Some crafting. Take a giant cardboard tube and cut off a slice. What? Who said cardboard could only come in boxes? Our Sprunki friends know the perfect way to save face. It always pays to give back a little piece of yourself. Here, Rumi, you can match the faces up. Or make whole new looks. Either way, now you can make things over to your heart's content. Time for a snack break. It's Rumi's favorite, ramen. Hey, no one said you could cut her off. Wow, a Kpop Demon Hunters blind bag. Gotta love when noodles come with their own toppings. Back to the game. Solve this block puzzle before the clock runs out. Don't want to rush you, but time is not on your side. Ooh, looks like Rumi's got her own minifig mini-me. Okay, girls, time to sing. Or hunt demons, whichever comes first.